Welcome to ECE, where we develop, sell, and support CAD software applications for industrial process plant design and information systems. Our YouTube channel is home to hours of videos on our world-famous CAD Neutral Worx Plugins and web-based enterprise system SOCKETWorx. Our videos are sorted into playlists for each application where you'll find a promotional video, previous webinars, and training videos. Head over to our website, ECEDesign.com, where you can learn even more about all of our products and services, starting with our Worx plugins. Our Worx products are designed to address many of the traditional bottlenecks facing designers, engineers, and others who are supporting project and facility requirements. Whether it be AutoCAD, Plant 3D, BricsCAD, or CADWorx, our CAD Neutral plugins automate tedious tasks, improve methods, and streamline design and processes while producing the same deliverables. Our SOCKETWorx Enterprise System is an IT web application digitizing projects and facilities for design, engineering, and operating companies. Through SOCKETWorx, you can connect stakeholders to industrial process, plant process, mechanical, electrical, and controls information. The additional modules even allow you to view data, datasheets, and PDF files, inspect CADWorx project files to provide total visibility of your contents while finding errors and omissions, associate and centralize primary documents in a document change order system, or navigate scanned worlds and land on geotags by integrating with Leica TrueView Enterprise. For additional assistance, our technical services team has the knowledge and expertise to assist in all phases of project work, including CAD admin, high-definition scanning and registration, or design and drafting services. You can also register for free on our homepage to access our full catalog of training videos, webinars, solution guides, and FAQs. Go ahead and reach out via phone or email if you have any questions, because when people talk, great things happen.